In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Reddit ads templates. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from a blank browser window to a polished ad built with a ready-made template so you can move faster and stay consistent with your messaging. Start by opening your browser and searching for Reddit ads. From the results page, click the first official listing that takes you to Reddit's advertising site. If you're ever unsure, look for Reddit's official domain and branding to make sure you're in the right place before you continue. Once you're on the site, click Log In. You can choose the sign-in method that works best for you, whether that's using your phone number, a Google account, an Apple account, or receiving a one-time link via email. Pick the option that's already tied to your ad account so everything connects smoothly. After logging in, you'll land on the Ads Manager dashboard. This is your control center for campaigns, budgets, and reporting. To start building, click Create Campaign. On the bottom left of the screen, switch to Advanced Create. This view gives you fuller control over the structure of your campaign and is the easiest way to access all creative options, including templates. Next, choose your campaign objective. Common choices include traffic or brand awareness, and complete your ad group settings. Here, you'll define things like naming conventions, audience targeting, placements, schedule, and budget. Match your objective to your primary KPI. For example, pick traffic if clicks are your goal. Keep ad group names clear and consistent so future optimization is easier. Move to the ad level and open the ad. For the post type, select Freeform. Freeform is flexible and works perfectly with templates because it supports rich text formatting and lets you adapt the content to your brand voice. Inside the rich text composer, look for the Templates option. It typically appears alongside formatting tools. If you don't see it immediately, confirm you're in Freeform and still using Advanced Create. Browse the available templates and choose one that fits your goal. Click Use Template to load it into the editor. You'll see placeholder text that shows you where to insert headlines, body copy, and calls to action. Replace every placeholder with your own details. Keep your headline concise, front-load benefits, and write body copy that sounds natural to Reddit's community style. Use clear, specific calls to action. Give everything a quick proofread, check links and tracking, and preview your ad on both desktop and mobile. When you're satisfied, click Review and then Publish. That's it. Your Reddit ad built with a template is live and ready to perform.